Journalist, anti-Galamsey crusader pa na unze Galamsey de ebudia enyasem ketwa. Erastus Asare Donkor, environmental advocate. Brapeni, good morning.
Good morning, Akokwa.
Na pomu ye de.
Yeho adom. Ahoden ho.
Ye da okropon ase. Menim se we de wadwuma mu a so far Galamsey ne kono. Briefly, ekoye.
Medase. Na Eugene say to me tie no a na mani age. I was in Yama or Kana ni na on point.
Sure.
Oshe Enra. A doctor for Moshenkola. Pediatricians. Our more Ghana hanya. Omuku time. Pediatric Society of Ghana. Omoye conference. Conference ni na bobofa Galamsey ene esunsun sanso a enya ewo enkola apomuden. Nanu a obehwe eniema omoda no adi wo ha. Na tese enkola ena edi omunya more. Enti time ayen ye ti abonte aye kasa ye Galamsey aye sensu aye di pefie no. Enkola eko consulting rooms. Ebi a omanya kidney ailment almost sour ho aka na omoye nhwehwemu a dodo na efri Galamsey areas and ever. Imagine say oba enya 9 years na the kidney already a failing because a wudra a wasa cinema ye tu ye daniel ye de befi. They say ye two fee near the other. Na ye name say Indian sunsanso because enkola a chance and your man ko more a champion before. Ubusame, but the Galamsey no a corner any man answer a coffo. Forest areas Yetimia Bomading.
Okay.
Abrase.
Right.
Forest I hope will be a mouth will be a quick retu a buru moi now cocoa and you. Say dodo na no yetimi abrenase enti meka se aban ene IGP ne NIMOS o mabọ modern e forest areas,
right?
Still nipa bi o hodie o mokwache o mo na o maba, but aba from as compared to the beginning of 2025 oba mining and settlements ebudi aye tunu afiafim enyai
so bu anane dan mu no watu edan ni mu no
you say enra no ha na panimu bia frame say ne toilet na almost o mu tu toilet foforo na o mu tu no na o mahu agudie wo amenanum tinu o mu ebitu na oboma mane na ebi anamachi na meka say ne say papa agudie tuo e wo fie mu de men support mu abeka nti ebeya ma gold ni hwe ba bi ese he ene ye tutu afiafie ba bia na a section say ba bia ye bold ni ebo ho amania wo wasa ayamfre kwan na de ko wasa kropon wasa kro no wasa japa wasa twentwena wasa kropon ya bo ho dawura besine o de fa ayamfre kwan no so ne ha de e fa ne fa nyina amna kase ku akase ya deda ho ne Galamsey nsu aye wo hia e ba lord kwan no ho nya sepeto ene ye tre ya shim osino ya ka so kronum ene ye Galamsey konongo se konongo kwantempo no kuma senkran kwantempo no wo ya akọ ya akọ ekwan no so ho
enye kura
onsa benkum ebom ho omuko ye tutu oko dumase a baabi a amna ebukum batan wonyem ena omoda so tutu edan so ho oko akrokari a kro ne finfi ye mining ewum oko fuase ene ne importamu ye enra o share me Facebook page a ma post bibi ho diaso se hwi diaso Now it's a town park. Chrono town park. You took Galamsey. For her, a car at that town park in Infinity. You see it to a good year. Chrono Vivio. Town park.
Wow.
Galamsey, giddy.
But I am not young one said a crum fin and I am full crum, a police full crum, this is more community. A day partly in
fact, let me a cancer. Said DC, you know, our crum, your friend in Sia. Orensia. Segalamsey, a possible diaso, Unimubia. May I sure say, a be our benefit. Because yes, and one was said, we are chairman of District Security Council, Bamboku, a walk dear so home for them one. On our dano. It depends on form of Krun Gra, what it. Now, Corona Town Park. You have to say, I go so we are Ketania, Madrina, year two, so also wouldn't more a bear one. That's just a woman quine, saying Coso. I am for Okrum Honim. Omunina, Ubia eating. A man what dying a Okrum Honina, a collapse.
Yes, Omadi Diasie.
Yes.
Hey,
because yes, you go the P. Krum, and you have said, Yamasadia no Coswa, Akokwa, near Tiana say. Ye behave to say Sabi, and moi.
It's true.
Sabi, Abua Crano, Abua Preku, when you say me did you na magujama na wa na yen a yen nipa a ye sabe ye si enim nyansa no yen kra no ye fie baabi a ye didie baabi a ye bobra eho ane ye tutu efi se ye pe agudie so enti se wo ba krom agudie tuo na e koso na e spread enyaye e konanim e sei afeyamra nsuwa ahodo nsuwa minim naimus bomoden wo ankobra no so they say oma pamwa free nzeman kuru no ba oma hye sanfan yen hye kura last week in kwa mo hye be 100 ni nyina gu ankobra no so ene ho eba so we share the magnitude of work omo ye still.
Yes, you don't.
So now it tells you it's a problem, no? As to chance any. Yanko pra crowd, yanko pra, yanko bia, sesujabo so could be a friend of mafia, a ho, some fine guso, offing Friday and I say. And you said your monka says you know, Sabrady near Titania, then all rounds on each other. So no more dear hen and Niati, Cassam, almost dear hen and Niati, Namen the Subai. Wow. Can't generally almost in Suno, say a Niati chain, but when hen and Niati, what the Akoko, Mammy D. Bako. Me, almost a dear hen and Niati. Almost Modi, the Anna is a Yens Unin Tessa, she said they improve a conanim cacra. Now saying, but who said, and this if only be the pictures of Ankobra Aye Green. Say social media. Yeah. Say, because social media and cost search. Never says, Adiana or Moyen. Maybe I'm a friend of disinformation. Say, Obi, enim no cre. Na, wakata na niwa no cre no. Na, or they atro Eda da man for. Sana, my friend. Say, Oko searcher. Obe who say, Nia was started, sir, Bosirimukano. Merikuduka. Okay. Former Deputy Lance Minister. Ono no so asentro for ekoho ekotutu ankobra ye green since you nani ati. Na me kofa ankobra no so 4 hours etutwa video ekopim baabi a ensuo no ekere de entia ensuo no efiri ho ekobe se 3 miles no aye green. Ma mentrel. Ankobra ya bone ban ewa wodua na Christian man. Ankobra no entene te sanya na etene first ni bi. Enti sufina galamsey fo ne te so ase no eta ho enflo nko. Epo no wo kwa Ankobra town no estuary ho ba bia nkobra na bopo no se epo no abo asroche akese a epo nsuo green no eba be fa nkobra no so ekọ na animo akopim kuro bi efre na eziem me mafa so enti se o ba bia almost aye green na wo se nsuo no bi na wo testi a o de count ketrema o realize say eye nchine me pato nkobra eye nchine
oh Debbie.
And I'm telling you, in Shubia, ati kakra. If you are buying fear, say, yeah, Niamoye, so Amanzule. Amanzule once a man. Never be ati, if you say, a Sophia, never boss Amanzule no. No more galamsey or hopa, a buying by Oma Pam or Munina Friho. It is so not if we sam potamo ever.
Okay.
As we see na for Amanzule na for corner ho nyina o me galate ho enti ho na bakanta e ko kuna ho na e poto. Eno kwa ni su aminim e na jema no sofu bi o ho e friend father Blee. E na wa kantin wa form group e wo ho e na so mo bi enye galamse e wo jema. Eti jema nsu ahodo e wo jema ho nyina ni kodin.
Wow.
And no one in Yaminim. Aside that, no.
You ain't going
now. I Asante Mantema. Cohesion find a good for a offing.
Asante region.
Asante region, Asante Mantema.
Wow.
Hey. A good busa. Galanse no ye conde. Namos ye no beti. But until say, ye bema process a war. Nkurasi ayo madwuma na omahu guarantee say a crime currently okobo proceeding bi amane e wo ho say obi say mafu obi say nsuo ha the tendency say on few no e more
aden omusuru
minim e bia onya agipia na obusa no say die ntina prosifo a wo nkurasi okobo guarantee amane ko e complaint a ye nteki ase Prosifo na angasa bi ene nam kura kwaji disika e wo galasefo.
Wow.
Until sa de no besesa. Na omo utimi kobo amane o police station ana prosifo hu se galanse koso wo mpotamo a omo betimi akotia manfo do o ma samra kwa so no. Nya naimos eye no. Ye bebre.
Wow. But Matiti say, apart from DC Bakuya Ubonidin, there are many others are almost shasi and pennyfu bibria. As a more to me who's omoke kahubi, and you be a money bin more edding commodintina. Omo dear Omo Galamsi may order from above, and I become a penisi only order from above. Bia. And
untina, there be a Facebook page. The catcher on my penny said, to Nimo on Shena. On I appointed this season. Bebre do ho ahye galamse mu a omo na esama fo kutupa nadmo district coordinators bebre hihase a ye sama fo kutupa mo ye galamse emu bi ne turn off mansini mu turn off mansini mu MC ho no piles opoku da bia me boni din free say di entina assembly wo ye chairman na utimi ehwe say assembly no issue prospecting license almost a business permit. Yeah, issue business permit. Me more copies were on the business permit in the address of prospecting. Me patrol emraben emma assemblies to me. Our multi issue license prospecting license move be so fangoye juba. A good year too. The only institution a minerals commission.
Yeah,
and that's a land ministry. And so we issue business permit and mark companies and me many copy. I actually so prospect and the back of the year, Juma.
And date ben year ben.
Say me a year can me pulley na mama date here also.
Okay. A recent.
But a recent.
Okay.
Just last year.
Wow.
Just last year. You busa ho asem no. Nenkro for ba social media be church or say MC no nim ho hwe na coordinating director and then Sasha say am pass coordinating director and then Sasha say but me problem ne say eti MCE no onhu sa licenses no
Brapeni, hold on kakra gina soma me na mema PRO of Lands and Natural Resources ministry no emrem kakra na gina soma me na yentwetwe sa nkomo yi Mahmud Kobore, good morning.
Good morning.
Bra bibia boko de
Adom mo pabo fi enzuka we gusuka kaka
eda okropon ase ehun se mo call rounds kakra for lands na ya reclaim ni normal but it seems like Galamsey no issues no from your briefing no enya de se yensuo yi ete ne ya ka kura ye mienu pe bi a yense ntwerofo ate afamu a wonu bohu se ate de aka nyina shamfan sisibi mu ni ade particularly even Ashanti region ni ade de na ekoso ye kon no na ye ntimi
Mabena was anopai na memo wabaso otumaso amuti na mentia ochifu nyina wange brigada chisi Because Galamsey to atwa ewo krum ha na ache se budi nsu agina manum ne nananom akasa anya no kre de metini aka de mensasi mebuse da bia ye fa Galamsey kun no free no enye ho ne da so gina there's been some improvement and no I was say yeah assurance much my move was say the need na crash one ya ba krasu a nti bia school yes you betumi awie and nti odika say results positive results anya yenya no wo mia ye bi no enye nationwide. What it means is that there was a advance say no na motu a wotu o tre na shim na edru mia ya aka nyina say the be yesu so ahodo a yehunu no mia ye bi no ebetumi ahunu no mia ya aka nyina. Indeed esuo no bi so ho a say woni just wani na efa ebia eberia o kakra. For instance, we get data from Water Resource Commission. Now get stability data as of July 2024. Now we get stability data now. Indeed, you know, baby, I just you do not yet. So you could see there's been a great improvement in terms of stability. Yeah, mark here home based on say every now 10 about 9. Yeah, my benchmark and I say soon you know any best change. Na aye no yetini asa page na wasa haba mono na omai no this for so when it is based on that benchmark then it means there is still more work to be done and also yenya ye kura ye samre ya egusu awia ni anadwini na ye so ubisa union central fu bi titulu mini ya penny Erastus obeka che was even reporting channels kanin na ka Galamsey asemwa se di ni to hu fa. I mean, we have my story about Galamsey related issues. Sabi, akwa ya idea atiat is over. And Jamaica cannot be everywhere. Now, and they are not acquiring information on the bar. The prompt and swift action are attaching to that. A friend is saying information. No, I was saying second and Indian crime. Say indeed, there are differences, and the differences is that about we attach all importance to the fight against illegal mining. You say, oh, here need to know about and then purpose why in a penalty. Yeah, maybe that's so I remember them. We say, it's a send rock corner, a send no corner. But I can assure you, say, looking at the political will of the president and the sincere commitment of the Honorable Minister of Lands, say, Tibia, Nominia, that I'm saying, Queen Bedi Sunkudi.
But misa wasem baako megiri say when mo opposition no some of the pictures and then no ma de ba mountain no shows the color of your rivers no your water bodies no and no na mo digina so say etwa say ani tema yen. Actually we weren't even talking about say bia your stability ni sa figures ya o de comparison. We were only looking forward see be hu say yensuo no sabe ani nyina ate nyame so adom epebre a ye hwe kura ni say yenya pebre no ensuo to saa na ensuo no so eto no said ye binumo animdifo no bi so ka no eprapra ensuo ni bi ani e manka ani bete kura na etimi say ani bete ntem but akwate say ensuo no a ye hu nyina no me hwe na mepe ensu dudu a yɛwɔ bebrebe no sɛ mu mienu pɛ ɛna nsɛntrɔfo akɔ rounds obetumi di ne sɛ sinibu aka sɛ mienu ɛna ɛyɛ out of bebree no a yɛwɔ no a enru half kora na sɛ enru quarter of ensuo dudu a yɛwɔ na I think say yentimi mmɔ yɛn nsɛm ma yɛ ho sɛ yɛayɛ adeɛ ana wo ne menya adwene
obedi sɛ anɔpɛwa dawroma yɛnka si mmɔ yɛn nsɛm ma yɛn yɛka sɛ yɛn nyinaa yɛnya saa gyidie wɔ aban hyehyɛ yɛ mu because the question you ask yourself is then na saa mmienu bi no a woka no assuming without admitting sɛ yɛ limit yɛn ho to deɛ woka no then na saa mmienu no yɛnya nsonsansoɔ no a yɛnya no can we replicate same effort same energy in other areas and yes we can and that is what we must do nti menka sɛ ɛyɛ done deal the meka no sɛ we have begun to see positive signs born out of policy interventions. Then there was here, strengthen it, expand it, so that the area okay about stability issues. We made a trip of 191 kilometers on the Ankobra with the sector minister.
Right.
It will baffle you, say, engine boat cannot move because there are heaps more or less say soon we see. Sounds so we said the better. It will take you years. If you are paying Erastus here, or Opa, Obetsmama, some of the researchers in go down, capture Ankobra, certain vantage points of the Ankobra. And you tell us that Opa Ankobra, when you pass the name, when you be a manzule, when you be at the end point of Prani at the Noah. You need to do what we call the silting. Now, so 191 kilometers. Also, we had the silting now. I believe you understand the course we're talking about.
Right.
But you say the commitment, one night wonder. Say the minister cannot do piano. This will not be a sprint. It will be a marathon. We'll get there. But I agree with a lot more of the people who say you as a banker to penny I'll come and see the more. Last year too a former good year blue ho. Now Galamsey or how or what. Galamsey becomes your major KPI. I don't think Major say man penny 1 year in office as an MC as a DC, it's enough to know say nipa sumasi ana obentia then of course our mansi no no or you fit for purpose say you need to do no kese ye galamsey see to asie or you fit for purpose say obetimi aboa ana say on show sign there say or also on local innovation there obetimi di aboa. That should be enough for us to do a very painful exercise. If I'm not interest will be but it will be in the interest of the nation. Say, and yeah, Obi Kono be so much to us. Said the Beya, Susan, so I the Benyano, and Tem. I've been to several districts. Call the Honorable Minister of Lands in the district. This year, we friend Honorable Ajikum. This young man mounted barriers, or no creating the barriers, at all entry points to the Lembele district. Any earth-moving equipment, the idea mining you must produce evidence of documents and all of that. I just how to legally sustained mine. This is all my own room. I can say, other factors has contributed to some reviewing bodies here war LML. But that gentleman's exercise and also for me cannot be ruled out.
Right.
For while Kubi. Correct how on one the local ingenuity or boa ama omo some reclamation in that area. You have about almost 8,000 football fields to reclaim. Now DC district on or by at least the data point, you know the people who have caused that havoc. Now then I think this is the time to know who is ready to help the fight and who is not. But I can say on authority, a few of them are doing very well in Yambra. yeah, but or no abaso. I also heard about the conversation on the permitting.
Yeah.
So somewhere 2018, assemblies are into mining or honor. They introduced a certain permitting system. What much I say? You might be within our assembly, no. Economic activity, they also tax it by issuing permits, work permits, so as to generate more revenue for the assembly. In 2018, 2019, they were taking those monies. I have a couple of receipts were a bit free Amancia West, a bit free Eastern region, a bit free Savannah region, and all of that. Now a new government comes to force. But I mean, me how work I'm trying to say. Say, if you muna obi enya permit, say or the kwakoye ejuma. Nipa din they say yes or the Nhyira FM or a legitimately registered company. Now oje permits documents in Nkrata anu. Now the kwakomo Mahmud Kobore mini radio station the kwatare machine ho a. Say asem no ba between Nhyira FM or budget permits in the the wrong person. And me issue permit, who is supposed to be blamed? And I saw a certain documentary, now a friend of Tax for Galamsey. That was the whole thing about it. It's a message, but yeah, sometimes, let's go further. Get the records from the assembly to know why we issued certain permits. Now, you're cross-checking with us at the time. The gazetted mining companies are not Minerals Commission publicly in that district, so that we can do the simple comparative analysis. Oh, my company A permit, is it gazetted by Minerals Commissioner or a legit mining company? Then we look at that, and yes, we might be saying things which assembly also in their own bylaws are justified to do that.
Okay.
But the other bit of that is yes.
Bram Rem.
Despite abandon new king, new law. You have a new government who is doing everything to curb the menace of illegal mining. It is will be once there is a new government in place with a new vision, and once this is now the head of the assembly, you adapt to the new change. And yes, and yeah, don't continue it. And Papa so the answer for everyone. If we said we might not give the wrong impression.
Me ba mamenko bra peniho. Bra.
Agokwa.
On the issue of permit.
Kobore, Nesam na o kanina. Menene ya adwen about 80%. Yes. Galamsey no. Baby and Pempenzo Edru. It did not start with this administration. Under the previous administration, you bought to the point that unions our Ghana stood up and were ready to go on strike because Nanyama say about we so buy party for the Mwajim. It in Yana said that baby almost say the count. That's a fact. Baby, I'm an and they say, Sir Assembly, it would to me, some issue mining licenses. No. What do you mean? Assembly, any to me, some issue mining licenses for companies to go ahead and mine. The only institution are mandated almost to issue mining licenses. The Minerals Commission. Those licenses must be signed by the lands minister. Say a small scale. Say large scale mining licenses it has to be ratified by Parliament. No district assembly has the legal right to issue mining licenses for companies to mine. I know they are what is wrong is wrong. or can documentary eba no was one who nim the other documentary. It was my documentary no embrace and so on comment. But it should not be justifying assembly issuing prospecting licenses. Even that prospecting no crano. Yeah, for mining.
Yeah.
Minerals Commission issue prospecting license in Mawa. You cannot mine without prospecting license. You are supposed to use drilling machines. What mean you should heavy equipment? And I was how presented our data no, to Minerals Commission. Normal study, my mine inspectors, now my issue with the mining license based on their findings. You have to do public education. Our community, let the community have a buy-in. So you shouldn't more on talk and put through amount when he said assemblies will put me there under bylaws. What bylaws? And I bet you the asset of mining license at the Amobi. And you're right.
Yeah, I agree.
Our kind of menene arguing.
Yeah.
Yes. I buy ne yes, Jumani. Badikaka.
Sure.
Naimos. And the man, holding me and I am a post to my Facebook page because me do my tinyomo yenina.
Right.
Almost cocoon from Uncle Brown and the Mar towns nearby, and that's how come I'm Anzulin and next baby at Timiaki.
Right.
But a Jumaneson, Niaka, and a Dawson, I was here concentrated. Opa, Onyai, now Mon Cocono. As for the publicity, lady, I'm not going to ensure any tea. I'm not for Nakasabe post to social media, no, they are doing. It's Onyai, my yes, Timon, and Intia, Becca. And Intia, concentrate on the work and make sure, say, oh, yes, Abandadano, this superintendent overwrought in Galamsey. Emma Galamsey, Quarto Groom, Pennsylvania, and that's a fact.
Yeah.
But Abai moves almost open, so who says I wrote to know, and on my liabilities not to Mobedi Mujima. They should stop complaining and go ahead and fix the problem.
All right. Rapeni medals yano pay.
Let's make that.
All right. Zakabore utimenga.
I'm going to go to also my rapeni that's what I can't son of a cop. Because the impression has been created as though
no, but let me say or clarify, sir, and we all know say mining licenses are not given by the assemblies. So media clear fact.
The impression has been created as though me say the assemblies has the power to grant or issue mining permits or licenses. No, me say when Obi any form of economic venture. Before I record this with the Windsor mining, no one all the requisite licenses and permitting and all of that, right? So before you get into that district, how quite our economic venture, assembly also in their quest to raise IGF issues permit, not license, permit.
No, but
mining company never with the license, no man of permitter. But,
yes, but
Kabore. If Brapeni say
Erastus memo
who are using their local letterheads to generate permits, which I know per the mining policy and the mining act is not the duty of the assembly. That is a conversation we can have.
No, but we all agree, sir, Kobore. We all agree, sir. As for the license, and I said G2 me create call mining or area hano, and ya assembly in the dema. But we know, say assembly non so supervisory rule be a ombe place, and ipana by be juma, ombe said yes or yes, and or no. That is tactically how it is. But Erastus, Erastus comments before.
Kobore, one question.
Right.
Say, Minerals Commission, about license, not Lands Minister, Asare. Why do you need a permit from the assembly? You don't need a permit from the assembly.
Because that was a local arrangement they did in 2018 by all mining districts.
No, Kobore, Erastus, me bacho ubisa question na maninya no kakra.
Akampesa me di bibi ka ho na aboa na mana ya no.
No, okay.
Assembly no e won a royalty. from every mining activity. That is not in doubt. And how you take that money, it has been spelled out in the law.
Yeah.
But Obia, a documentary, it has nothing to do with what he's talking about.
Right.
These are people that only license from anywhere.
Nothing.
And the assembly is giving them that is illegal. That is unlawful. That is criminal.
Right. Okay. I get your point. Kobore.
I think we are on both sides of the coin, because I am saying what had pertained in terms of assembly strategy.
The
IGF. They can't the assembly trying to say almost momentum because Erastus is introducing an entirely new conversation where also evidence of assembly be what Jim Minerals Commission to me or no to me issuing prospecting and even mining licenses. That is not the conversation I'm disputing, and I may make comment on the conversation. I make a specific reference.
One can't assembly no my license. I think that is where argument in about or say omuma on permits a coho.
So when
the mining license were mine.
Prospecting permits, prospecting licenses, those are used interchangeably. You get my point. It is the assembly not when the Minerals Commission to me what is supposed to be done by the Minerals Commission and even the sector minister and all the people, the players in the minerals governance chain. Assembly in the area, then that is really a matter that needs urgent attention. But the main kind of say they add this. For instance, say Obi sticker, I raise the idea because Obi the mining company, legitimate mining company. It's a different thing. I don't think it's non Galamsey.
But let's.
That's the point I
okay. Ono akoye ne rounds where who say some of them actually be ni license crying the assemblies permitted them to mine around the areas. Inti or say eba. So I think say obe train say bia ombe releases no before na ebia ada we bi wo a yetime di ho nkomo afterwards. See after that na ye be di nkomo bi mu whilst ye nyina ya hwe video no ehu di akọ. Why Kobore?
That's fine. But I'm saying you of certificates
okay.
Assemblies need the issue after 2024 near this.
Right.
You can look at them when the documentary comes. You say they are the
right.
I'll go through. But that's Kobore. Brapeni.
Yeah.
Finally.
The Americans near Kobore can open lampo everything generally into one.
Wow.
But Onya Botre.
Okay.
Yeah, we do a professional job.
Sure.
Near any evidence, I won't talk about it.
Yeah.
But we have examined the evidence and we think that you're wrong what the assemblies are doing.
Okay.
And they must shift from doing that. Near happen or turn on off, where they issue a business permit and write on it prospectus, and that company is using it to mine. Look at the pollution air cost I was ensure what turn on off by these same companies. And we should not be glorifying some of these things. I will see a condemn. We should not polish it to make it look attractive. Say assemblies can do that. No. There's a royalty system. Assembly there in the chefa I want license mining there or jurisdiction there. Chefa will acquire a buffer and Sabekan chefa.
Okay.
It may hide behind a bylaws to be able to create monster there. Yeah, the digital the I am to them.
Right. Drop any medasi anope.
Miss Medas.
All right. Abusia Erastus Asare Donkor multimedia a journalist no kai say Galamsey hu nsem de wa ba adwuma no award winning journalist anti Galamsey crusade environmental advocate and out in Kano Mahmud Kobore nso join a PRO for lands and natural resources ministry near di Galamsey hu nkomo